Hi, this is Mr. Richmond, and today we're going to look at how to make an appropriate data table using Microsoft Word. So as you can see, I already have my Word document open. The data set that I chose to use was the average monthly temperature, the average high temperature in the state of Connecticut. So first thing I want to do is determine how many columns and how many rows do I need. There are two big pieces of information here, one being the month, second piece of information being temperature. So that would determine that I need 2 columns for this data table. How many rows do I need? Well, I have 12 sets of data, one for each month, so I need at least 12 rows to fulfill all that data. I'm actually going to go ahead and add a 13th row, so when I need to, I can go ahead and add my column labels as well. So now that I'm ready to make my data table, I'm going to go to the Insert tab at the top of the page, click on Table, and if you notice, I can actually only go up to 10 rows here. So I'm going to go click on the Insert Table option, change the amount of columns and rows that I need, and now I'm ready to start putting in my data. Before I do that, though, I'm going to make an appropriate title, and if you recall from class, your title needs to include both the independent and dependent variable of the data set that you're looking at, or from your lab experiment. So my title might be the average monthly temperature in CT. I'm going to go ahead and make that bold, maybe underline it as well. I also centered it. Those aren't necessary steps, but I think it looks nice, and that way I'm able to differentiate between the title from the rest of the data set and the rest of the document as well. So I'm ready to go ahead and label my columns, and yes, it does matter which data set goes in which column. If you remember from class, we discussed that your first column in your data table needs to be the independent variable, which in this case is the month. So I'm going to go ahead and include the month. And then the dependent variable, what is being measured in this data set, is the temperature. Don't forget to include your units of measurement in the data table. I'm going to hit Control-C to copy, Control-V to paste. If you do not have that paste option and you need to locate that degree symbol, all you can do is go up to the Insert tab, click over Symbols, and that degree symbol should be at the top of your options right there. Alright, I'm also going to go ahead and make these column labels bold, center them. Again, not necessary, but I think it looks neat and clean. Now I'm ready to go ahead and input my data. January 34.1, February is going to be 37.7. There's no need to put F and the degree symbol next to it because you've already done it with your column label. March 47.7. I would go ahead and spell these out, but for the sake of time, for this video, I'm not going to do that. And then I would go ahead and fill the rest of the data in for the remaining months. I hope you found this video helpful. Good luck. Feel free to refer back to it for the rest of the year. Alright, take care.